Hi, and welcome to the latest edition of JetTalks. I'm Scott Monroe, Director of Channels.
And I'm Gene, JetStor founder.
Gene, tell me a little bit about the support offered with JetStor. And what I mean by that is, after a customer purchases their JetStor appliance, what should they expect from support?
Absolutely. Our JetStor systems come with a 5-year support and advanced replacement warranty. We would advanced replace backplane, controller, and disk drives.
So Gene, how about global support for our customers with additional locations?
Absolutely. As we have customers worldwide, we do offer global support with spare parts as well as advanced replacements for all our customers worldwide.
And lastly, I have to ask, where's your support located?
Our support center is located right here in Pittsburgh with engineers that worked on these systems for over 25 years. They offer email support, remote support, as well as monitoring support via email systems or even our X Insight, which provides global support for all our systems.
Wonderful. Thank you, Gene.
Thank you.